Are you also doing this mistake while using the AI tools, or you are not using AI tools at all? Hey everyone, I am Priyanshi Agrawal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share some common mistakes which most of the people do while using the AI tools. And if you are not using AI tools at all, then I will tell you why you should start using them right away. So without wasting our time, let's get started. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe. We have more such interesting and helpful content coming soon. Let's talk about case 1 first. If you're using AI tools blindly and becoming completely dependent on them, it means you're not thinking on your own, you just copy whatever AI gives you. This can be dangerous. AI tools are helpful, but sometimes AI hallucinates a lot and it gives you long and outdated answers as well. So it is very necessary to analyze the responses given by the AI, edit them according to your requirements, and do some refining of the responses. Because AI don't know your situation, your goals, your audience. So it is very important to use your brain to analyze the responses to see whether they fits in your use case or not. And in the cases when AI gives you correct solutions, in that case also it is very important to have the context of the responses given by the AI. But why? Because your skills, your knowledge will be the one to take you forward. If you are just blindly copying and pasting, blindly using the AI, then it will be very dangerous for your future. If you are not having enough skills, enough knowledge of the things you are working on, then this can be very dangerous for your future in this fast-paced world. Because if you are using AI blindly, then you are not growing, you are not improving your skills, which can seriously be a red light for your future. Now let's come to case 2. If you are not using AI tools at all. In today's world, not using AI is like you are not using internet. AI can save your time, help you get new ideas, explain tough topics, help you in writing, and can even help you in coding in job interviews. So instead of avoiding them, try to learn how to use them in the right way. Start small, start asking small questions to the AI, or use it to improve your resume or emails. Slowly, you will see how helpful it can be. Try to delegate some small tasks to the AI instead of becoming completely dependent on it. In this way, you will be able to increase your productivity as well. Because in the upcoming future, AI can replace the engineers who are not using AI. But if you are using the AI tools in an efficient way, then you are definitely on the right track. Because from a personal experience, being in the corporate world since 1.5 years, I know the importance of AI. It helps you a lot in understanding the large code bases in a very less time and delivering fast under tight deadlines. So it is very important to use the AI tools in an efficient way to increase your productivity in your daily life. So I hope you have understood the importance of using AI tools and more importantly, using them in the right way. So I hope if you are not using them, then you will start using them in the right way. And if you want to know which tools you should use in your day-to-day life to increase your productivity, then do let me know in the comment section. I will surely try to share those tools as well, either in the comment section or in a separate video. So yeah, that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.